We have now learned how to work with subclasses in Dart, and we have seen that subclasses have access to their own members and methods, as well as those of their own superclasses. Now, there is one thing that I forgot to mention, and that is that all classes in Dart descend from the same class, which is called the object class. And to show you this visually, I can open up a diagram. As we can see here, the person class extends the object class, and this happens automatically, even if we don't write this explicitly in our code. So what does the object class do? To answer that question, we can quickly look up the documentation in the Dart core library, which we can find at this address. So the documentation says that the object class is the base class for all Dart objects. And because object is the root of the Dart class hierarchy, every other Dart class is a subclass of object. And then, when you define a class, you should override toString to return a string describing an instance of that class. So what does this mean? If we scroll down the file, we can find a list of constructors, properties, methods, and operators for the object class. And by the way, I previously talked about member variables when creating classes. And for clarity, member variables are also called properties. Okay, so for now we are interested in the toString method. And the documentation for this says that toString returns a string representation of this object. So let's get back to Dartpod, and we can continue on the next video.